In front of me I've got Realme GT Neo 3T. In this video I'll show you how to add different types of cards to Google Wallet. In the beginning, let's enter Wallet. Tap Add to Wallet button and now go to Transit Pass. Find your transit way and select it. You'll be redirected to a website where you have to finish the inside form. Next, let's select Loyalty and select card you would like to add. Now you can scan your card or enter member ID manually. Tap OK, add to wallet, and it's done. In the end, let's select gift card, which is pretty similar to loyalty card. Simply select shop, enter card number, PIN, balance, your notes, and tap add to wallet. And it's done. All of your cards will appear right here. If you find this video helpful, please hit like, comment, and subscribe.